pandemic situation but confused how to incorporate this food in your daily diet, then this video is for you. Hello friends, this is Nimisha. Welcome to my channel Nimisha's Lively Lifestyle. First of all, I would like to thank you all for subscribing to my channel, and those who are new, please do not forget to hit the subscribe button. In my previous video, I discussed about 5 immunity boosting teas. Today's video will be all about 5 immunity boosting food and how I incorporated them in my daily diet. Now, today's topic is a very common one. You all must have seen many videos related to this. But today's video is going to be very interesting as I am going to share different ways and how you can modify your diet into a tasty and a healthier one. Be sure to stay till the end so that you get to know how I modified my diet. You can also try this at your home because it's very important for us to take care of our diet due to this pandemic situation. So without wasting much time, let's get started.
So the first superfood which I am going to discuss is spinach, also known as palak in Hindi. Spinach helps boost immune system as it contains antioxidants and plenty of essential nutrients. Spinach also has rich source of flavonoids, carotenoids, vitamin C and vitamin E. These flavonoids and vitamins help in building strong immune system. I love to consume spinach in the form of dal palak. All you need for the preparation is spinach, cooked dal, mustard, turmeric powder, crushed cumin seeds, garlic, green chilies and salt. The quantities are displayed on the screen. You could also pause the video and note it down. Now moving to the preparation. Take a pan, add 1 tablespoon of oil along with mustard seeds. Add chopped spinach along with cooked dal and also add the ingredients as I mentioned before and mix well. You can add garam masala powder if it is needed. Isn't it simple? It's tasty too. The next one in the list is red bell pepper. It is an incredibly sweet and crisp vegetable. It has 300% of your daily vitamin C intake. Vitamin C is very essential to boost your immunity. Red bell peppers are also packed with antioxidants as it has combined effects of vitamin A and C. It also has highest amount of lycopene. Intake of lycopene could prevent humans contracting deadly disease like cancers. Vitamin B6 acts as a natural diuretic and prevents from hypertension and bloating problems. So when it comes to the consumption of red bell pepper, we are often very confused. Eating it raw is the most healthiest way, but I do not like it that way. Hence I use it in my soya or paneer curry. So to prepare this, all you need is soya or paneer, onion, tomatoes, red bell pepper, ginger garlic paste, chili powder, turmeric powder, coriander powder, garam masala powder and salt. This soya or paneer curry preparation is my often go-to curry whenever I am running out of time. I usually end up preparing this one. It is very simple and easy recipe. All you have to is saute onions and tomatoes in oil, cook them well, add ginger garlic paste, add all the powders as I mentioned and add salt to your taste. After which you add red bell pepper and mix well. If you are using soya, then you have to pre-soak soya in water and heat it for a while. Remove all the water and add it to this mixture. And there your soya curry is ready. The third superfood is amla, also known as gooseberry. It is well known for combating common ailments such as cold, flu, throat, digestive issues, etc. It is rich in antioxidants and also enriched with micronutrients. It acts as an excellent detoxifying agent for our body. Amla can be consumed in various forms like juice or raw fruit, but my favorite way of consuming it is in the form of chutney. So for the preparation of amla chutney, all you need is amla, ginger, cumin seeds, grated coconut, green chilies, salt and jaggery if you need little bit of sweetness. Grind all this together with little bit of water. Then your amla chutney is ready. You can consume it in your morning breakfast, lunch or dinner. That's your choice. The next on the list is almonds. Almonds are rich in vitamin E, which acts as an excellent antioxidant that helps to boost our immune system and also helps it function well. They also contain zinc, which is known for treatment and prevention of common cold. They are also an excellent healthy snack. It also keeps our cardiovascular health intact. I usually consume almonds by soaking them overnight and having it in the morning on empty stomach. If I miss to do so, I add it in my oatmeal for breakfast, or I snack it in the evening. The last one is ginger, which is very common in most of our kitchen. We use it widely for our various food preparations. Ginger has anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties. They are also rich in antioxidants. As I discussed in my previous video, ginger can be added in our tea, or you can add a piece of ginger to boiling water and drink it, or you can add a piece of ginger while cooking rice. These are some easy ways to consume ginger.
Hope you all enjoyed my today's video and got some tips in how to include this immunity boosting food into your daily diet. Do try them at your home and mention them in the comment box. I would love to read your comments. So that's all for today. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And to know me more, you can also follow on my Instagram page Nimisha's Lively Lifestyle. So for now, this is Nimisha signing off. Bye.